Hey folks, welcome back. Guess what? It's that time again. FPV Crate time. This one's a little different. Got some information on there. I wonder what's going to be in the box. Put in the comments below if you already know what it's going to be. Alright, FPV Crate from Getfpv. This is for the month of April? Yeah, April. Here we go. Here's what's in the box. As usual, we have our thank you card, stickers, ZOD, ZOHD, ZOHD, depending on where you're at. Some pretty interesting looking stickers. Put that aside. We got our thank you card from Getfpv. We have some coupons. So this is 10% off an RTF in the FPV Crate store using that coupon, and get 8% off a Zod brand plane from Getfpv. I actually have the Zod Nano Talon, which is a great little flying thing. It's not the best in the world, but it's pretty nice. Alright, so we got some props. These are interesting. The bag's not even labeled. What the heck are these? They're HQ. These are the R35s. HQ R35 props. So I really don't know a whole lot about these. The R38s are the Evan Turner heads-up FPV props. So I don't know what these are. They're probably just a little bit lower pitch. So interesting props. It'd be fun to try out. We have a real craptastic battery strap. Alright. We have 4 booster motors. These are 2207, 1900 kV, so a little bit higher kV for 6S than what I'm kind of used to seeing. 36.5 grams. And naked style. Ooh, these are kind of cool looking. No, did come with motor screws. Look at that. White and chrome. Them's pretty. That is a pretty motor. Not super notchy. Does have a flanged nylock nut on it. It has a screw to attach the bell. Let's get that out of the way. Let's get this bell off of here. That's going to be, what, a 1.5 mil? Yeah, there we go. So it's even got a color matched washer on there. There we go. Nothing super fancy. It doesn't have the little rubber crush ring in there like some of the other motors do. The windings look to be, I don't know, meh. Meh would be how I would describe that. Pretty thick laminations. I mean, it's a budget motor. I do like the coloring. Kind of cool looking. So 9mm bearing. The 4mm shaft, so 4x9 bearing. Not too shabby. Looks like it has curved magnets. She got some snap to her. Pretty decent looking motor. I don't know what the shaft material is made out of. I'm going to assume it's probably just steel. Nothing special. I don't think it doesn't look like titanium, but I could be wrong. I'm not a metallurgist. So there you go. We got 4 6S motors. And now for the t-shirt. It's a dark navy blue, and it says Freedom of Flight on it. It has the Zod wings on there. I'm assuming this is a Zod FPV frame, but I've never seen it. And nothing on the back. So there you have it. FPV Crate 4 motors, 3 R35 freestyle props, T-shirt, 2 Zod battery straps. I appear to have only gotten one. Yeah, I only got one strap, so whatever. I don't really care. Stickers and a discount card. Alright folks, that's it. That's what came in this month's FPV Crate. What do you think? Thumbs up, thumbs down? Waste of time? Pretty good stuff? Let me know. Let me know if you have any questions about the products in this box, and I'll get back to you. Alright folks, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking us out. Head over to Patreon if you want to support me, and I will see you all next time.